Zongzi.
Cheers.
Zongzi.
Cheers.
Zongzi.
I have these like black leaves of something. Maybe it's calamus. Whatever calamus is.
Everything is calamus now.
It's all calamus to me.
Mine has a pork inside, so there's some meat in here. And I discovered this mystery white thing is actually part of an egg yolk. Yeah. What'd you get?
And I had something nutty, so this is chestnut and meat, which I think is cool.
Nowadays, we do a lot of modern takes on these traditional zongzi. So how about you guys try this creative flavor? It's a mystery. We don't know what kind of flavor it's going to be. And I'll try one of these sweet ones. I didn't get any
I'm not
filling.
sure what's going on.
That does taste like tea. Like a very sharp tea.
Tea? This one has red bean inside, which is like a really common sweet filling here in China. This is something I didn't try before in the States, and it was deceiving the first time I tried it. I'm so happy you got to try your first salsa today, though.